next, we're going to talk about the suffix ed. Okay, so ed on the end of a word means it already happened. So it happened in the past. Okay, so for example, if I want to use the word jump, if I was going to put this in the present tense happening right now, I'd say right now I am jumping. But if I wanted to make it past tense, I would say yesterday I jumped, and I would add the ed. It sounds like a t sound at the end of the word, but we don't end a word with the t sound when we want it to be put in the past, okay? So in the past, we would add the ed, okay? Same thing with other words such as jog. Today I'm jogging. Yesterday I jogged. We have those really weird ones, okay, like the word run. Right now I'm running, but yesterday what did I do? That's right, I ran. So I wouldn't use runned, okay, because that is not correct English. So that's a weird one that we'll talk about later on. Okay, so go ahead and focus on your ed endings, which mean in the past. It already happened.